This is the part you want to push in on the car to remove this bracket here. You're still going to have to go in to the fender and remove the plastic snap holders, and there's a bolt here, I think, and a bolt here and here. You'll have to watch the video again. I don't remember where they are. But anyways, this is where you want to push in on. It's hard to see, but you'll want to take a flat, small jeweler screwdriver, and you want to go in where I'm going to show you and push down. When you push down, it releases the clip, and you could use a plastic tool like I'm using. It's like for Bondo and drywall, so you could separate it and do this carefully or it'll chip your paint off. So you want to pry it a little bit, push the screwdriver in the slot, push down, press out, and the clip will release. You'll want to do that for the top and the bottom. There's one here and here. Now what you can't see and what you're looking for, and you'll see it with good light, there's a gray piece of plastic. There's like a hole here, a gap here, and a gap here. This is where you want to come in with the screwdriver, straight down and push in. That's going to release the clip for you. Push in, pull out, that'll come out. Push in, pull out, that'll come out.